Hey guys, so we weren't able to record an intro, so I'm here to say thank you for 102 subscribers. You know, it may not seem like 100's a big number, but to us it means a lot, and we're so thankful that you guys have come and subscribed and liked our videos and watched. And this is just the beginning, you know, we've got plenty of more videos to come. You know, we're still trying to think of what to make a video of. You know, we're still working on that, but we just want to say thank you, and let's get straight to the video.
As you can see, Cisco is getting everything prepped up. Today I want to put in the floors. This week we have put in the anchor bolts. So we have anchor bolts all along the flooring, and right now we're just sweeping it up, make it look nice. And we're going to start putting the flooring in. And I believe we should start by flooring by the counter, and that way we can get a nice scale flooring. And I want to put the flooring in before I put the seating, because right here I'm going to put the 40-gallon water tank and then all the connections. So I wanted to put some kind of protection between the water tank and also this plywood. So today we're going to put in the flooring. So we've decided to go ahead and use this laminated flooring. It's vinyl. It's a weathered gray color. My wife picked it out. I think she made the right choice on the colors. It's the Armstrong. You can get this at your Home Depot. Not a what is it? Not a sponsor. And we're going to be using this 2057 adhesive for the VTC, and also we're going to be using a 2.4 millimeter trowel to apply the adhesive. So let's get started. All right. Well, to cut this vinyl, this vinyl is very easy. You know, you just place, you just put it to measurement, whatever. You come with the razor blade, give it a few cuts with the razor blade, and then once you got the razor blade cut, you put a groove into it. You just bend it back and it snaps. So it's really easy. Apply the glue, glue it on. Now, first lesson about this is that do your cuts first. Like I have here, I've got all this already cut out. Everything is in place, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the cuts first, and then I'll remove these pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and put the glue and glue it in place. But the first lesson is to always make your cuts first, and then apply it with glue. To do this job, you definitely need the knee pads, because it hurts. Alright, Cisco just asked me, a question. It says, Dad, how do I make these cuts on the corner? So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make these cuts. This right here is a 45 angle cut there. And to make that cut, what you want to do is you're going to grab yourself a measuring tape. And you want to go and put it on the right hand side of the measuring tape. You want to butt it up to the 45 angle. And you want to measure it to the edge of the existing material. And I see there that is 16 inches. So you come over here, get your material out. You put on there from the edge of the material, of the vinyl, to the edge of the tape there, and you mark it 16 inches. Now, what you do is you take the tape, you take it on the right hand side of the existing vinyl here, and you bump it up over there. Make sure it's nice and bumped up to the 45 angle. And I see that it is 21 inches. So now you go back to the material and you put 21 inches here at the edge. And then I take it and I mark it there at 21 inches. So now I got these two markings, right? So get yourself something to guide your cut, and you align those two markings, one there, one there. Take your razor knife and you go at least 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So there you go. You got yourself the nice cut there, and you just bend it, breaks it right off real nicely. A clean cut, and you just put it right into place. There you have it. That's how you have yourself a nice 45-degree angle cut. Alright guys, there it is. I just put in the last piece. The floor is finally glued in. A little excessive glue there on the side there, but I'll clean that up. Unfortunately, the GoPro was set right there, and it was going to capture this moment. And I mean, it was a strike of genius. The way I applied these flooring here in this little corner is really tough, but I did it. I was able to do it. Let me close this door. It's kind of chilly outside. Oh my goodness. Once again, this is the weathered gray tile color, and it's by Armstrong, not a sponsor, but Armstrong Flooring. Real good product, easy to cut, easy to apply, and it looks real good. It has a nice, clean look to our project here, and it really fits well, and it did real well. But that's it. Floor's in. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Send it to your friends who like this kind of series that we're having, this remodeling of the 1965 travel trailer. Until next time guys, ciao for now. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Until next time. No, come on. Well guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for let that noise go. Alright guys, with it.